In this video, I'll be going over how to write decimals in expanded form. Below are two examples, and we'll be going over each one. For the first example, we have 227.542. And below is the place value chart. And we're going to go ahead and fill in the place value chart. So we'll first look at the decimal. And we can see that 7 is right next to the decimal to the left. And 2 is right next by 7, and the 2 is next by the 2. So we will write 227 like this. And then we will write 5, which is right next by the decimal. And then 4, 2, like so. So now that we place the number in the place value chart, what we want to do is write them in the expanded form. So first, we'll look at the 2. This is in the hundreds value, so that means that it's 200. And 200 means that it's 2 times 100. In the expanded form, we can write them in two different ways. One is writing out the value, and the other one is multiplying by the value of where the number sits. So we'll do them at the same time. So next, we have the 2, and in the tens value, so that means that's 20, because 2 times 10 is 20. So that means this will be 2 times 10. And then the ones, there's 7 ones, so that means it's 7 times 1 is 7. So 7 times 1. Now for the tens value, we have 5. So that's 5 tenths. And we can write it like this, 5 times 1/10. Then we have the hundredth position, so that's 4 times 100th, which is 4 100. And we can write it expanded form, 4 times 100. And lastly, we have 2 in the thousands, so 2 times 1,000 is 2 1,000. And we will write it as 2 times 1 over 1,000. So by looking at this, we can see that the expanded form is written out like this. And then we have the parentheses format, which we write it out like this. So on an assignment or test, they would give you different examples of expanded form and expect you to understand how they got the expanded form from the number. Now let's go to the second example. So the second example is 52.65. So again, we'll go ahead and look at the decimal. 2 is next by the decimal. And then we have 5. 10 will be here, and 5 will be here. Okay. So now we're going to write the expanded form. 5 in the tens means that it's 5 times 10 is 50. Then we have 2 ones, means that it's 2 times 1 is 2. And we'll go ahead and write the parentheses format as well. So we have 5 times 10. Then we have 2 times 1. Then we have the tenth. There's 6 of them. So 6 times 1/10 is 6 tenths. So that would be 6 times 1/10. Next, it would be hundredth. So 5 times 100th means it becomes 5 100th. And the parentheses format would be 5 times 100. And now we have completed the expanded form in 2 different formats. This is one, and this is the parentheses format. So there you have it. These are 2 examples of how you would write decimals in expanded form. I hope this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.